Happy beauties, I'm back. How are you guys doing? I don't know why I'm nervous, but we need to get this show on the road. Today is BoxyCharm day, so I came back from vacation and I came home to a bunch of boxes. This month I think BoxyCharm is like back on track because I got my box early this month, but I couldn't film it until I got home. So that is what we are doing today. And you guys, I took a sneak peek inside and I was so shocked. Like, I wish I wouldn't have opened it so you guys could have seen how shocked I was by product that's in here. Like like BoxyCharm still has my heart. So let's dive in. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you have BoxyCharm or if you love BoxyCharm. So we are going to get into it. I'm going to talk about the product that I used from last month's box. Now, the one product from last month's box that I got that I was really excited to get, and I didn't know that we were getting this, was the Sol de Janeiro lip balm. I have mixed feelings about this. First, let's talk about the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. It is super different, super pretty, super sleek. You could throw it in your pocket, throw it in your bag. It's super compact, and I traveled with this on my vacation. So I'm glad that I was able to try this out. I tried this out thoroughly, you guys. How thoroughly? This is how much I used it. I'm almost done with it. Like, it goes all the way in. This is all that I have left. I'm turning. That's all I have left. So I pretty much used it all. Here's why I'm on the fence about this. I'm glad I got it in a BoxyCharm to try out. I believe this ran for $18. I could be wrong. Do not quote me on this. I will find out the price and leave it in the description box below for you. I'm glad I got it in a BoxyCharm because I don't think I would have paid for this on a personal purchase. Here's why. If you are like me who has severe dry lips and they're always drying out and you constantly have to use a lip balm to keep them moistured, this is not gonna work for you. Every 20 to 30 minutes, I kept reapplying it. I've used lip balms before that have stood on me for more than an hour and I didn't have to constantly reapply it, which is why I ran through this so quickly. I am going to finish it because I do like the smell. I do like the small little tint that it leaves behind, but it fades away after a few minutes, which is not bad. But if you are like me who your lips are constantly like cracking out and constantly need a really good lip balm that's going to moisturize and stay put and stay on, this is not going to be the thing for you guys. I feel like this is more of like a luxury lip balm to kind of have just like to throw on really quick if you don't have severe dry lips or constantly need to moisturize. This would be good for you. But if you're like me, this is not going to be for you. So that is my review on this one item that I got to try out from my last box. I didn't get to try anything else. I think I gave one thing away, and then the other thing I don't even remember, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. So let's get into this month's box. This month's box is Harvest, which is really cute. I love this. I'm so shocked that BoxyCharm put Natasha Denona in their box. Like, this box is still so worth it, you guys. It is ridiculous. This runs for alone $48 and I only pay $26 a month for the box. Like, we already know this. Why are you not with BoxyCharm? You need to get with it. This is a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. So this is not a brand new palette. Apparently they picked out some colors from Biba, Safari, and Sunrise and just put them all together in this palette, which I think is really cool. It is called the Peak palette. The one thing that I'm really excited about this, you guys, is that most of them are matte. I am allergic to her shimmer as well, so that makes me sad, but it also makes me super happy because I can use these 4 and they're completely like Harvest style. You can use them during the fall, use them during the holiday season. If you get this palette and you can use her shimmers, this can totally be holiday looks for you right here. You can glam it up with the shimmer. It is just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm loving the color, I believe it's called Jasper, which is this gorgeous burnt terracotta orange here. Let me not like blind you guys, but this is what it looks like. It is just beautiful. So yeah, this is the first thing. I'm gonna swatch this shimmer because I'm not gonna be able to use it, but I want to show you guys how just gorgeous it is, because I've swatched her shimmers before in Sephora, but it is just so pretty. Inner corner highlight on the cheeks. Oh, maybe yes, Eureka, just thought about it. I can literally use this as a freaking highlighter. So you know what, I'm gonna be able to use this entire palette. Hello, why didn't I think of that before? So I'm definitely gonna use this palette now. Oh my gosh, I just had like a moment there. So that is the first thing that we got in the box, and you guys, I'm just like, I can't believe it. Like, I seriously cannot believe we got Natasha Denona in a BoxyCharm. The second thing that I got in my box this month is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never used a toner in my life. I wouldn't even know how to use this. I'm probably gonna give this away. I'm getting over trying out a lot of skincare stuff because I'm seeing things that are starting to happen on my face because of using so many different types of skincare brands, jacking up my face, and I'm just like, no. One thing, if you've noticed behind me, my refrigerator is not there anymore. I had an issue with it where it started leaking several times, and I was just like, okay, what's going on with this? So I returned it, got my money back. All my skin stuff that I had in there, I either gave it away or I just like passed it on to someone who wanted to try it or use it. I'm probably gonna give this one away. Just a heads up, holiday season is obviously here, so I'm going to start doing a couple of giveaways. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And this is probably gonna go in one of the giveaways because I'm just really over trying so many different types of skin brands that I'm literally just veering into Tatcha slowly, and that's probably the only skincare brand that I'm gonna be using. This one's for $40, which is crazy. This toner is packed with an antioxidant rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Okay, so from what I'm reading on this, you use this after you clean your face. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna use it. Like, I keep looking at it, it's so pretty, but I'm like, am I really gonna use this? I've used obviously many things by Dr. Brandt because of BoxyCharm. Some of this brand stuff I like and some I don't, but I don't want to start using something else that I've never used on my face before. The next thing I got, which is my pick for this month, was the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. This runs for $24. It is a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Now, I used the regular one and I really liked it. I love the packaging on it. When it first dropped, I think like over a year ago, but I never repurchased it. And I am not one, like you guys know, I am not one to use waterproof mascara because I've used quite a few waterproof mascaras and they have made my eyelashes fall off. But because Milk is fairly a clean company and this is just a really different formula, I was like, you know what? Let me try the one from Milk and let's see if my eyelashes fall off or not. I'm hoping that it doesn't, because there are times where I need a waterproof mascara but I don't use it because of the fact that waterproof mascara makes my eyelashes fall off. Keep your fingers crossed, you guys. If you have this mascara, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like the formula, if it has made your eyelashes fall off, or even if you've ever had that issue before with a mascara. Let me know, because I want to know. I want to know what you guys are going through with makeup. So yeah, so I got this and I'm excited about it. So the next thing we have is a brand that I have never heard, never tried before. It runs for $32 and I am loving the packaging on this, you guys. This is the cutest thing ever. It looks like a deck of cards. When I first opened this, I thought it was a deck of cards. I ain't gonna lie to you. This runs for $32. This is a lip fondant liquid lipstick. Go on with a feather-like texture and dry completely matte, which I love. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying, which I always do. I need to put up a new video on my brands I've never tried before series, so I could do this as the 4th episode. Oh, the colors are right up my alley. Do you not? I love this. Look. Oh my goodness. This is Boudoir. This one is a low key. Is that gorgeous mauve tone. I cannot. And Theme Song, which is a really light neutral mauve pink, like pinky shade. And again, you guys, the packaging, I live for this packaging. Look at this. Oh my goodness, like it makes me want to have donuts, and I want a cake full of frosting and sprinkles right now. Just I'm dead over this. And you know what, I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm gonna do an episode with this. So look out for that. And I'm really excited about these, especially because they dry matte. Oh, so good. We also did get 25% off site-wide for a Natasha Denona coupon, which is cool. I never really use these. If you guys are interested in buying Natasha Denona, or if you love her products and you want 25% off of the site, I'm gonna put in this code for you guys so you guys can use it. So I will put that in the description box below for you, okay? Last but definitely not least is Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. So this is a new base that I'm gonna try out. It is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant. That could be a really good thing because this eye waters on me a lot. You already know this, you guys, and it's like literally happening right now, and it's creasing into my eyeshadow, and I hate it. It really upsets me. So I'm excited. It's water and wear resistant, so we're gonna try that out, and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits, which I also like because sometimes my inner part of my eyelids get dried. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. Wow, that's very interesting. Like, you can use this for a lot of different things. I'm really excited about this. It runs for $15. It's water and wear resistant, enriched to condition and moisturize your lids, and can also work as glitter glue. And you can mix it with your favorite concealers to customize the primer's shade. That's a lot to live up to. So, and I finally dropped it for playing with it. All right, you guys, so I'm a major dork, but that is my BoxyCharm for today. So check out my description box below. I'm gonna leave that code for you. Let me know what you got in your box if you have BoxyCharm. If you don't have BoxyCharm, you need to get on it. And I believe that they have the Oxy pop-up right now going on, so you can go on and check that out too. That is my November box. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a own episode on this one. I'm excited about this one. Cannot believe we got Natasha Denona in the box. So excited about that. I love you guys. Please subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell because giveaways are coming, you guys, and you don't want to miss it. I hope you guys are staying safe and kind to one another, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.